Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm just asking this to be straight up.
Yeah.
With the driving, are you doing like an Uber or any like driving service?
Like I said, I actually work for Geek Squad, so I'm actually like out on the road all the
That's
time,
great.
going to clients' houses and stuff.
That's awesome. Do you do it with a partner or is it by yourself?
My partner has been driving mostly, and I've been in the passenger seat, so I'm able to just kind of like just jot down stuff, which is nice.
Okay. The reason why I'm asking this, I don't care about your personal information. What I'm trying to help you out here is you could try to get maybe this. I want you to test this out because this works in our market. This could work in yours. So if you're driving around, you see an address. What I want you to do is grab a bunch of sticky notes, and you might want to invest like $5 or $10 in a stamper. Okay. And literally just going to stamp. It's going to say, hey, this is Philip. I have a really important question about your house. Give me a call as soon as you can. It'll have your phone number on like a sticky note. This one, you're going to see a bad property in the mailbox and go.
Well, here's the thing. Can you I know federally you can't like put anything in the mail because it's against
the outside.
Just put it on the outside of the box, like on the door.
Here's a secret like too. Here's the best secret. That might fly off. If someone's car's there, put it underneath the windshield wiper.
Okay.
Because people they need their windshield wiper and it's going to be yellow.
Yeah.
And the cool part is you don't have to do any like writing. And what the cool part is they will call you. You'll get a lot of calls, but you do like 100, you start having conversations and they're going to say this, Philip, did you put that on my car? No, my marketing guy did it. He's crazy, right? But let's have a conversation. He's not even mad at you.
Yeah.
It's your marketing dude that's the bad guy. You're just trying to help people out.
No, I like that idea.
I like this neighborhood. I'm trying to buy some more, and apparently he thought it'd be a good one for me to buy it.
Yeah, I mean we have tons of.
Can you bring me my my headphone? Thanks. It's in my room.
We have tons of investors in the area that are just like they're like foaming in the mouth, just wanting deals. It's so like buyers are not an issue for me at all. Like I know that for a fact. It's just once I get a deal under contract, I'm going to be able like it'll probably get bidded up if anything. So it's just
dude, it's like direct mail.
Yeah,
it's the same thing. You go find a property, you write it down, and then you write it, and then you put it in their mailbox. Why don't you just go out the car when you find it? Don't even do a pin and just throw it in there.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I've never heard that before. That's I like that tip. So
I'm coining it. It's reverse driving for dollars. That's what I'm coining it as.
Reverse driving for dollars.
Reverse driving for dollars. Now, Philip, you can go out there and door knock, but I just prefer doing that. The door knocking, I've done it.
It's kind of awkward. I've done a little bit of it myself because like there's just one property and I noticed that the owner owned it was vacant, and I noticed the owner like literally lived across the street, and I was like, shit, I'm gonna go knock on his door and see what but he's all like, yeah, it's been vacant for a while, we might do something with it, like we don't plan on selling. And I'm like, okay, well, if you change your mind, by all means call me, so but
yeah, man, I would look at test it out though. Obviously do 500 before you quit, and then see what happens.
Yeah, no, that's a really good idea. I haven't heard of that before. So
yeah, dude, I test every single any marketing strategy you ever thought of. I've tested it out, and I know what works and what doesn't. So
I'm sure
that's what I would do in Nashville. Like if you threw me in Nashville, I would do SMS, test it out, cold calling, direct mail. I would test them all out, see what sticks, and then scale that up.